Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Facebook password. First, navigate to the Facebook login page using your preferred web browser or the mobile app. Look for the Forgot Password link, typically found right below the password input box, and click it. Next, you'll need to identify your account by entering your email address, phone number, or username into the provided field. This step helps Facebook locate your specific profile for the recovery process. After entering your details, Facebook will present you with a list of accounts that match the information you provided. Carefully review these options and select your correct account to ensure you are recovering the right one. Once your account is confirmed, you will be prompted to choose how you'd like to receive your password reset code. Common options include sending a code to your linked email address or a text message to your registered phone number. Once you've selected your preferred recovery method, Facebook will send a unique 6-digit verification code to either your email inbox or your mobile phone. Please check the corresponding location for this code. After you receive it, carefully enter the code into the specific field on the Facebook password reset page. If you don't see the code within a few minutes, remember to check your email's spam or junk folder, or simply request that Facebook resend a new code. Finally, with the verification code successfully entered, you will be prompted to create a brand new password for your Facebook account. It's crucial to choose a strong, unique password that is at least 6 characters long, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Type your new password into the first field, then re-enter it precisely into the confirmation field. Once confirmed, you can log in immediately using your newly established credentials.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.